everyone, welcome to my house channel. I come up with another curry, Palak and moong dal curry. Ingredients: 1 cup washed moong dal, 100 grams chopped spinach or palak, spices: half spoon red chilli powder and half spoon coriander powder and pinch of cumin seeds and pinch of turmeric and 1 spoon ginger garlic paste, 1.5 green chilli chopped and just 1/4 cup sesame seed, roasted sesame seed powder and 3 to 4 spoons oil. Let's start the recipe. Adding oil to the pan. Add the spices. Once oil gets heated, just mix the spices. This is one of the healthiest curry. And add moong dal. This is just washed. After adding moong dal, mix it well. This doesn't take much time to cook. Add green chilies. Add spinach. Once spinach is added, mix it well. Add hot water. Add sesame seed powder. Mix it well. Cover it with lid and simmer it. And let it simmer for 5 minutes. It's been already 8 to 9 minutes. Let me check it out. Looks good. Let me turn off. You don't have to cook this dal very softly, even less than this will work. I just kept it for longer time, which is not needed. You can have with the roti. I'm having with homemade tandoori roti. You can check up in the recipe. I've already posted this. And let me do the taste test. It tastes so good. Try out my recipe. Thank you for watching my recipe, and if you like the recipe, subscribe so that you will get notification and share with your friends. Bye.